5 apps that you can make money with literally just using your good old cell phone. Round 2. If you guys remember, we did another video that got over 2 million views on this same exact subject. So we're back for round 2 to show you 5 brand new, never before seen apps that you can make money with literally as soon as today, just using your good old cell phone. So take your phone for the second time, throw it out the nearest window so that you can actually concentrate on this video.
Really, nigga?
Oh wait, oh, man, I forgot again. You're telling me they need their phone to make money from just their phone. Man. All right, guys, one more pass. You can hold on to your phone just for this video, but only because you need it to start making money with these apps. So grab some popcorn, guys, tune in, because this video is going to be a good one. Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video where we're gonna be talking about the 5 best apps to make money with just your phone, make money online, passive income, side hustle, whatever you want to call it. We're going to show you how to do it today. And the best part is these apps are brand new, never before seen, and we went out and did all of the research for you guys. We know and can guarantee that these apps are the best of the best. There's no scams, 100% legit. They have tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of reviews. They've paid out hundreds of millions of dollars to everyday people just like you and me, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can tap in and start generating money from them literally as soon as today. And so we're gonna count down the top 5 apps from number 5 all the way down to the number 1 app that you can make the most money from just using your cell phone, starting with number 5. But before we do get into that, I did want to say thank you to all of you guys coming back for the Baby Shirt Gang, watching all of our videos, subscribing, liking these videos, commenting down below. If we get 2,000 comments that say make money online and 5,000 likes on this video, we'll actually release a brand new, never before seen, crazy video next week that'll show you guys another amazing way to make money online, but only if we do get 2,000 comments that say make money online on this video and 5,000 likes. So make sure you like this video, leave a comment down below, tap the subscribe button, join the Bell Squad. Why? So you can be like these 2 awesome people who are each the lucky winner of a completely free $2,000 course just by being the first commenter on our video and by getting the answer to our riddle correct. And so without further ado, let's jump in to number 5. Number 5 is a multi-billion-dollar company that's been around for years and years and years called Rakuten. Now, what Rakuten does is they actually allow you to earn cash back literally for just shopping on websites that you would already shop on. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, but Kevin, how can they offer you cash back just to shop on websites I already shop on? Well, they're able to do that because they're driving traffic to those other sites. So let's take an example. Let's say you want to go get a pair of jeans from the Gap. You could either go to the Gap directly and pay $100, or you could go on Rakuten and actually get those same pair of jeans from the same website from the Gap, but Rakuten would actually pay you 8% cash back, which means that you'd get those same jeans for just $92. The reason that they do that is because Rakuten is actually driving brand new online traffic to the Gap, which means Rakuten makes money from the Gap, you make money from Rakuten, and everybody wins. So if you shop online, you might as well be getting cash back. Rakuten app is easy to do that, simple to sign up, free to use, and you get paid literally for doing the same things you'd already be doing. App number 4 is called ClickWorker. Now, what ClickWorker basically allows you to do is random little tasks that only a human being can do. And I have a lot of students and friends and people that have used ClickWorker in the past, and they've earned up to $30 per hour literally to just use the app from their phone doing random everyday tasks. Now, this could range from things like proofreading, categorizing websites or data or photos or images, doing online research, or even writing product descriptions for products online. Now, the cool thing about ClickWorker is you can do this completely on your own schedule. You can earn money doing a variety of different tasks so that it never actually gets boring doing the same thing over and over and over, like data entry or doing surveys. And the real best part is you can do this from anywhere in the world on your own schedule, on your own time, and make money just using your good old cell phone. App number 3 is a website called swap.com. Now, first of all, what a great domain name, swap. That one must have been expensive. Now what Swap does is they actually allow you to sell your old clothes on something called consignment. Now for those of you who've been around for a while like me and you're old like I am, you probably know what consignment means and you're probably more familiar with it in the land of cars. But for those of you who are not familiar, what consignment means is somebody will actually take your stuff, they'll list it for sale, and then once it sells, they'll actually pay you for it, right? So it's no risk for you, no risk for them. Everybody wins if you actually sell those products. And so if you have a lot of old clothes or you have stuff sitting around in your closet or old shoes or things like that, you can actually list them up on swap.com. They'll do all of the work marketing those items, and they'll do all of the work actually finding hundreds of thousands and millions of customers who want to buy your old gear. And the best part is you can do this all from your cell phone from anywhere in the world, and they do the large majority of the work and you get the large majority of the money. If only I could do that in all areas of my life.
Okay.
Yeah, my proposal is you do all the work and I get all the money. Hello? App number 2 is called slicethepie. Now, for people who are familiar with slicethepie, you've probably heard about it before. Wow, that was really obvious. But for those of you who haven't, slicethepie is a music review site. So if you like listening to music and you like getting paid, then slicethepie might be perfect for you. Basically how it works is there's huge music companies and record companies that need music to be reviewed, and they use it to actually find a new and upcoming artist, to see what people are actually enjoying, and to see what the overall feelings about certain artists and songs and musicians and albums actually is. And so there's a lot of money for those record companies in identifying new and upcoming artists and identifying, potential music that could go viral or have widespread mass market appeal. And so they're actually willing to pay everyday people just like you and me to actually go ahead and review those songs and albums and artists so that they can identify new potential winners. And you can actually take advantage of that just by listening to music that you probably already love, but get paid to do it from your good old cell phone. And the number 1 best app to make money online, literally just using your good old cell phone, we will get to in a second, but for those of you who are still here, first of all, thank you guys for showing love and support and watching these videos all the way till the end. It means a lot to me. If you could do just 2 quick favors for me for doing all this research, putting these videos together, it would mean a lot. Just tap the little like button, just tap it, tap it, tap it. Should be really easy to do, but it does help us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And comment down below, make money online, or if you have other suggestions for future videos, we really do appreciate that. And we also have 2 other YouTube channels down in the description. The first one is More Kevin David, where we go live and answer your questions on making money online every week, and the Kevin David Experience, our top 25 in the world entrepreneurial podcast. So make sure you actually click those down in the description and subscribe to those 2 other awesome channels. And if you're looking for a full-time way to actually make money online, not the intro stuff, not just to earn a few bucks, but a full-time income, click the first link down in the description. That is the number 1 way to make money online. It's the same exact way and blueprint that I made my first $1 million online. So click that first link down in the description and make sure you check it out, or I promise you, you will probably regret it if you don't. And so the number 1 best app to make money online just using your cell phone is actually called THREDUP. Now, THREDUP is reasonably similar to swap.com, but THREDUP has a massive, massive audience and market. And anytime that you actually go ahead and list used items or clothes or products on the internet, you want to list them in multiple places. Now, why do you want to do that? Because you're getting in front of other eyes, right? You're getting in front of multiple millions of additional potential customers who might want to buy your old clothes. And if you're like me, you probably have a lot of old stuff sitting in your closet that you probably haven't even seen or touched literally for months or even years. And so you might as well actually turn that into cash that you can invest into yourself or into learning or e-commerce or a fully scalable way to make money on the internet. Otherwise, you're just letting that sit in your closet and waste away rather than actually turning that into cash. And so with THREDUP powering the over $50 billion resale market, you can take advantage of the age-old saying by turning your trash into another man's treasure. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, then stay right here because we have a brand new playlist of the best ways to make money online in the world coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click the playlist in the middle of the screen, guys. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.